it's Modroid here, and today I'm going to show you on how to hack or mod any Android game using Game Killer. So you must be rooted to hack games. To do this, you want to have the app Game Killer to hack any games. So open the game you like. If you have a game, I have a game called Subway Surfers. So let's head to the shop. See, I had 5,044. So I'm gonna hack that. Open the Game Killer and enter the money you have, and I have 5,044, and search auto identify. Searching, it's searching. So let's get back to the game, and you have to purchase some items. I'm gonna purchase a hoverboard. Now I have 4,444 coins, and enter the money you have left, 4,444. Then search. So if you do that, there is only one will appear. Only one will appear on your screen. So tap that and click modify. Choose modify and lock. So I'm gonna change the value to 9999999. Then okay, I'm done. Now head back, head to the shop again. Then I have unlimited money, unlimited coin. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. This is